Hey everybody, Jonathan here, and I wanted to make this video about the Tesla Fremont factory tour that me and my wife did today. It was really cool. It was really awesome to see what it's like inside. So what happens, you park right next to where the superchargers are, in front of where the showroom is, where you can buy merchandise, or you can get information about all the Tesla model cars that are out there. And then you check in at the desk. You'll see all of these lanyards that have little red cards that say Tesla factory tour, or factory tour it should say. And then the Brenda, which is our tour guide, she was so cool. I mean, she was really excited. She loves her job. She made sure that she could accommodate everybody and made them feel all comfortable about the whole process. And that was really cool. And so we were waiting. We got there about 9:30, and I decided to charge our Model 3 for like 10-15 minutes. And then we went inside after I charged for a little bit. And so Brenda gave us our lanyard, and she made us fill out on an iPad the non-disclosure agreement, or NDA is what they call it. And then they ask for your driver's license if you're 18 or over. If you're under 18, you don't need to give an ID. So the non-disclosure agreement, so that you can't take videos or photos inside. But that was fine, it's cool. We still were able to get in there, and you get on this tram, and it only sits about 2 people on each row, and I think the tour was about 25 people. The tram, it really reminded me of a Disney tram, but just a mini version of it. And so she was able to talk through a headset, a wireless headset, and there was a speaker on each row of the seats, so you could hear her clearly. And so the whole tour, it shows you all of the robots doing all of the work. You see all the staff doing their thing, and you see all these Tesla parts everywhere. And it's really cool. And then they took us to the stamping room, where they stamp all the parts for all of the Teslas, and you can hear it, just the sound of the boom or the bang that you hear. That was really cool to hear it. So they took us around. We got to see certain things. The only ones that we didn't get to go see was near where they're putting together the interior of the car. The seats, the steering wheel. That's the only part that they didn't take us to go see. But that was fine, because I've seen it on YouTube, on CNET, and a few other YouTube videos that had access to record on the inside. So as the tour was about it was an hour long, maybe just a tiny bit longer. It just depends on how many stops you make. And it's neat. So all of the employees on the inside, they have a cafeteria. They have a few cafeterias that look like on the inside. And then they had a fitness center. And then the tour was over after about an hour. And then we went out back into the lobby where the showroom is, and she asked if we had any questions. And there was one thing that she had asked during the tour on the inside of the factory. Now, she asked if there was any day one reservation holders, and I was the only one on the whole tour that raised my hand, because I am a day one reservation holder, and I waited about 2.5 years to get our Model 3. So she asked me if we had gotten the little diecast Model 3, and I told her I didn't get it. So at the end of the tour, she actually went and found me one and got me one, which was really cool, because I wasn't able to get one, because at the time, I guess that Tesla was pushing out so many Model 3s, they ran out of those little models, mini Model 3s. So I thought they were long gone, and I just forgot about it after like 6 months. It was no big deal. But when she brought it out, my mind was blown. Me and my wife were like, that was the coolest thing that she ever did for us, by getting us one of those. So she is awesome. Her name is Brenda. You can see the picture of her right here. And then she was more than happy to take photos for anyone in front of, and she even knew like all the perfect poses, like, and the positions to be to get the perfect pictures for you and your cars or of the building. And I mean, it was an incredible experience. You know, and you're allowed to do it as an owner at once a year. And so I'm going to come every year, and I want to see like the progress that they make over the years. I want to see what they're going to do. So, I mean, it was an incredible tour. I recommend that all Tesla owners go and do this at least, you know, once and check it out and see what it looks like where your car is designed, or, you know, created. I'm trying to think if there was anything else that, you know, came to mind. Oh, and then so also we came into San Jose because we have some family that lives here, and we stayed with them for a few days. Then I also wanted to go to the Fremont factory and try out the Supercharger version 3, the one that can charge up to 250 kilowatt hours. But they are not running at full capacity. So if you're seeing this video, and today is June the 17th, so they're not up to full capacity yet. We did speak to a representative that is, I guess, one of the engineers for the version 3 superchargers, and they said they're not up to full capacity yet. They should be up in about a week. So if you go, don't expect them to be up and running yet, because you know, when I went a couple days ago, there was a line of Tesla owners trying to get in there and try out version 3 supercharging. So it's not up and running yet. So it's coming soon, and they are starting to roll them out to superchargers all around. I'm excited to do it because it's going to be charging our cars a lot faster, and it's going to get people in and out much more quicker. So I hope this video was helpful. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record any video or footage, or pictures on the inside, but I'm excited I got to do it, and I'm going to do it every year. And if you have any questions, you know, leave a comment below. And please hit the thumbs up if this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, as I am going to be uploading more videos soon. I do have some ideas for my for Tesla videos. So thanks again for watching, and have a good one.